Hello, friends. What are you guys waiting for?
Welcome to CJ's Playhouse.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Playhouse. Today, we're going to be making cookies. The first step is to have your grown-up preheat the oven to 375. Some ingredients you need are flour, baking soda, and salt, sugar, brown sugar, and egg, chocolate chips, vanilla, and 1 stick of butter. Now it's time to taste it. Oh, I'm so excited. Friends, which one do you think I should try first? This one, of course. Good, friends. My cookie. Friends, that was not good. But friends, oh, friends, look. That's so exciting. Oh. Thanks for baking with me today, friends. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Bye, friends. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you know I upload a video full of fun. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon.